اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ربنا وجعلنا مسلمین لک ومن ذریتنا امتا مسلمتا لک وارنا مناسکنا وتب علینا انک انت التواب الرحیم. The translation is, Our Lord, make both of us submissive to Thee and make of our offspring a people submissive to Thee, and show us our ways of worship and turn to us with mercy, for Thou art oft returning with compassion and art merciful.
What were those Manasik which Father Ibrahim and his son prayed?
Please translate this and that.
Okay.
You see, Manasik is a word which is applicable both to sacrifices and ways of worship. So Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ prayed to Allah to show him how he should offer his sacrifices and how he should seek the ways to his nearness by worshipping him in the best of manners as he likes. So these are Manasik. And the Manasik also include the slaughtering of sheep, all that is done in Hajj, and even more. All falls under the word Manasik. So Abraham's religion was revealed to him at his request at greater detail. And the Manasik Hajj also fall in this category. What Abraham did during Hajj, that falls into the category of Manasik.
I've got to the second part. Chapter 53.
القصد الثاني من سؤالك.
I think he was saying earlier that he wants to know, are these rituals links to the ritual which we find today as well or not?
I have said whatever links we have relating to Abraham, they are the Manasik, but I am not very sure of what part Hazrat Hajra played in this. So could be it is out of the prayer of Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ that whatever Hajra did also fell into the same category of Manasik which Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ had requested from Allah. But apart from that, it can be also translated as only those things which Abraham did were Manasik, and what followed were not directly Manasik, but they fell into the category of the general meaning of Manasik.